Over 20 years ago, I bought Satanis, the Devil's Mass, in the format that you see in the top center of the meme. It is the only documentary on Satanism that I can assuredly tell you that death saw at least part of it. And we discussed more than part and talked about more than what I'm going to share in my rewatch discussion. People don't change as much as some put on two faces or take on what is presumed to not be compatible with the other aspects of life. It is important to own one's desires. People are drawn into alternatives to mainstream religion by interests that are outside their former faiths. Ethics and morals are personal decisions. Most need something awakened. Spirituality needs to be based in the fact that we are in this physical world. It is important to let spells be open to having more fitting results than what one may ask for. So much of mainstream churchy stuff covered sexual and astrological symbolism. Payment to organizations should be around what it does for us. Taking a spiritual side doesn't mean one doesn't believe that the other side doesn't totally exist. There is symbolic value in the roles honored, and a lifestyle can honor more than prayer alone. Ritual does give us and other beings permission or encouragement to do things or not do things. That and the whole Shemhem Forosh thing, which strikes most odd in the whole idea of it being a satanic ritual. Are they saying that God hails Satan? Or are they calling on the extended name of God? Which sounds a bit off. And some things that people say are more based on Dante and Milton and popular fiction than they are on the supposed scriptural references that people will think they are based around. You know, like the devil's in hell and it rolls over hell. But the old bald guy in the film, I think like they place him in the beginning, at the end, and the middle stuff, like he's kind of like what he's talking about in terms of Christian Satanism, as that about to be something that people are going to be more open about saying. And I've met what you would call Christian witches. But this guy, you know, he sees some things as symbolic. People are like, is it authentic? What he's saying? Is it self-aggrandizement? Is it symbolic? Or does he really believe it? Like, you know, like the ritual form makes it look like, you know? And certainly with the Church of Satan, he was somebody who, you know, they are acting out demon worship, but it's more about, you know, their physical existence. And some people, you know, after this video was made in the 60s, I think 1969 was when it was completed. It was released in 1970. That this film afterwards there was kind of a divide between, you know, the people who were going to be more theistic and the people who were just like, we're acting it out. We really don't believe in the entities that we're mentioning. It's like, then why mention it that way? Of course, the Satanic Temple takes it further with their what could sound like trolling, you could say. But I don't think with the Church of Satan that it was trolling, that it was like this is what they were doing, regardless of who was allowed to see it. But it does come off sort of like a circus religion, doesn't it? And certainly they work with things rather than denying, oh, they like this or want this. They figure out what to do with it. Because I think even today, with all the liberalism, there's plenty of stuff that people will pretend that, oh, I don't even have those feelings. I don't, it's like, yeah,